Hey everyone, Gary here. Welcome back to the channel. Quick wrist check. This is the Casio W59.
Now let's look at the watch we are reviewing today, the Casio A171WE. This watch is 4 years old now. It isn't rare, it isn't expensive, and it hasn't been treated gently or carefully. It's just been worn when needed, sometimes forgotten on the wrist. This video isn't about features or upgrades, it's about time passing and about what still works when the novelty is long gone.
Introduction.
Today I'm documenting 4 years with the Casio A171WE-1A. This isn't a first impression, and it's not a buying recommendation. There's no excitement here, no hype, just a long-term record. How the watch has aged physically, how it's been used in real life, and how it performs after years of light, routine office wear. No conclusions up front, just observation.
Purchase and context.
I bought this watch 4 years ago. It was intended for office use only. Not daily wear, not weekends, not outdoor activity. Most of its life has been spent indoors, at desks, in meetings, while typing or resting the wrist. There were no intentional stress testing, no water exposure beyond hand washing, no modifications at any point. Everything remains original and stock.
First impressions versus reality.
When new, the A171WE felt very light on the wrist, almost delicate, small, minimal. Compared to larger Casio digital watches, it felt insignificant at first. There was nothing bold about it, no strong presence. Over time, that feeling changed. The watch blended into daily routines, it stopped asking for attention, and that quiet behavior became its defining trait. It's a watch that stays out of the way.
Field watch. Casio W219H.
Now that I'm retired, besides watch reviews, I do rubber tapping 2 days a week. This is what I wear in the field. The Casio W219H blue version. Light, tough, no worries about mud or water, no stylish, just reliable, built for real work. It offers basic 50 meters water resistance, a long 7-year battery life, and the usual digital essentials, alarm, stopwatch, and an amber LED light. Simple features but reliable. That makes it well suited for tough jobs like rubber tapping.
Materials and cosmetic wear.
After 4 years, the most obvious changes are cosmetic. The chrome-plated case shows scratches, the bracelet does as well. Most of them come from daily contact, desks, laptops, shirt cuffs. They are fine scratches, visible under light, but nothing structural, nothing bent, nothing loose. This is typical of long-term light use. The watch shows its age clearly, but it still functions exactly as intended.
Display and legibility.
Despite the visual wear on the exterior, the display itself remains clear and dependable. The LCD has not faded over time. There is no discoloration, no uneven patches, and no signs of aging in the screen. The digits remain sharp, clean, and easy to read at a glance. There is no ghosting, no bleeding, no lingering shadows behind the numbers. Contrast looks largely unchanged compared to when the watch was new. Black digits still stand out clearly against the light background. The resin crystal does show minor scratches from daily use. The bezel also carries light scuffs and hairline wear, but none of this interferes with readability. Under normal indoor lighting, the time is instantly visible. No wrist tilting, no squinting, no effort required. The display continues to do the one job that matters most, showing the time clearly and consistently.
Buttons and functionality.
All the buttons remain fully responsive after 4 years of regular use.
There is no stiffness, no delay, and no misses presses. Every function activates instantly just as it did on day one. The alarm sounds reliably when set. The stopwatch operates without hesitation. Basic timekeeping features, hours, minutes, seconds, date, work exactly as designed. Even after years of everyday office wear, the watch keeps time consistently. Casio's Module 593 is rated to stay within plus or minus 30 seconds per month under normal conditions, which translates roughly to about a second a day. In practice, many owners of 593 base watches, like older F91W variants and other Casio digitals, report only a few seconds of drift over a month, sometimes less than plus minus 10 seconds. I have experienced the same with this unit. Over months of use, the time remains remarkably steady, often better than the nominal specification. This shows that basic quartz movements like the 593 can maintain impressive accuracy long after the novelty of a new watch has worn off.
Battery life and replacement.
Over the 4 years I've owned this watch, the battery has been replaced just once. If you want to see the full battery replacement process, there's a link above. The replacement may have occurred slightly earlier than typical for this model. It's possible the unit was old stock when purchased, which could have influenced the initial battery life. After the change, the watch returned to normal operation immediately. All functions, timekeeping, alarm, stopwatch, and backlight worked perfectly. No issues appeared afterward. No resets were needed beyond the standard procedure for battery replacement. Since that one replacement, the watch has continued running without interruption. It's a reminder that even the modest, inexpensive digital like the Casio A171WE-1A can offer reliable long-term performance when the battery is healthy.
Comfort and long-term wear.
The Casio A171WE remains thin and lightweight, even after 4 years of regular wear. That subtle slimness makes a noticeable difference over long hours on the wrist. It sits low and close, hugging the wrist rather than feeling bulky or top-heavy. The watch slips easily under long sleeves and it doesn't catch on fabric, desk edges, or other surfaces. During a full work day, it stays completely unobtrusive. You often forget it's even there, a quiet companion rather than a statement piece. Even on smaller wrists, the proportion feels balanced. The case doesn't overhang, the strap doesn't pinch, and the watch remains stable, moving only when your wrist moves. After 4 years of daily use, comfort has not diminished. The combination of low weight, slim profile, and smooth edges continues to make this watch one of the easiest to wear for long periods, whether typing, writing, or just resting your hand.
Price context.
At the time of recording, the Casio A171WE is priced at around RM130 to RM140, which works out to roughly $30 US. This is mentioned strictly for context, not a recommendation. Prices change over time. Availability changes by region. This figure simply shows where the watch sits in today's market. An affordable entry-level digital watch that hasn't drifted far from its original purpose. At this price point, expectations are modest, and that makes the long-term reliability and comfort seen over 4 years easier to understand and evaluate.
Global user experience and long-term patterns.
When looking at Casio digital watches from a global perspective, certain long-term patterns begin to repeat themselves in a very consistent way, regardless of model, region, or generation. One of the most common themes is longevity, as many users report wearing these watches not just for years but sometimes for decades, with battery replacement often being the only form of maintenance required throughout their lifespan. Alongside that longevity is a strong emphasis on simplicity, where the core functions remain largely unchanged over time, focusing on clear time display, a basic alarm, and a straightforward stopwatch, all of which are easy to understand and require virtually no learning curve. That simplicity naturally contributes to comfort and wearability, since these watches are typically lightweight, thin, and sit low on the wrist, making them easy to wear daily or to keep as dependable backup watches that can be picked up and used immediately without adjustment. At the same time, the criticism reported by users around the world are also strikingly consistent, as scratches are generally expected, materials often feel light or plasticky, and features along with water resistance remain basic by modern standards. Despite these limitations, the overall value perception tends to remain practical rather than emotional because these watches are viewed first and foremost as tools rather than luxury, object or collectible. As a result, they are often kept, regularly used, occasionally forgotten in drawers, and sometimes rediscovered years later. Still running, still accurate, and still doing exactly what they were originally designed to do.
Applying this to the A171WE.
When placed within this broader global context, my experience with the Casio A171WE feels not unique, but entirely typical, and in many ways, that's exactly what makes it meaningful. Cosmetic wear is clearly visible, with light scratches on the resin crystal, subtle scuffs on the bezel, and small marks that reflect years of regular, everyday use rather than neglect or abuse. At the same time, functionality remains fully intact, with every button, mode, and feature working exactly as intended without hesitation or inconsistency. Timekeeping accuracy has not changed in any noticeable way, remaining stable and predictable over long periods, which aligns closely with what is commonly reported by owners of similar Casio digital watches around the world. Comfort has also remained consistent as the watch continues to sit low on the wrist, feel lightweight, and disappear during long hours of wear, just as it did when it was new. Maintenance requirements have been minimal, limited largely to a single battery replacement or adjustment needed beyond standard procedure. Nothing about this experience stands out as exceptional, impressive, or surprising, and the lack of drama is precisely the point. This is how watches like the A171WE are meant to age, not by transforming, but by quietly continuing doing their job year after year.
Final observations.
After 4 years of ownership, the Casio A171WE-1A continues to function exactly as intended. Timekeeping remains accurate, buttons respond as they always have, nothing feels degraded or compromised. The visible wear tells a clear story, like regular use. Small marks accumulated over time, not from abuse but from daily life. The kind of wear you expect from a watch that's been worn, not stored. There's been no meaningful decline in comfort or usability. It still sits the same on the wrist. It still disappears into the routine of the day. This video isn't about praise, it's documentation, a record of time passing quietly, and of a simple digital watch continuing to do its job without complaint. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you found this long-term review useful, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. It helps support more honest, budget-focused watch content like this. If you are interested in this watch or other affordable gear I use and recommend, you will find links in the description through my Amazon affiliate store. It's an easy way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I'll see you again in the next one.